Hey there, still replying in the cramped reading pane? So let's make every reply in the new window automatically. So in this quick video, I will cover all the three segments: new Outlook, Outlook on the web, and Outlook Classic, how you can pop out your reply window in just a click. Let's jump on in. First, we will begin with new Outlook for Windows. So here you need to click on this gear symbol, which is available on the top right corner of your screen, or you can also use View tab, and here is the view setting. Click on it. Now click on Mail, which is available on the far left options. Now select Compose and Reply from here. Now scroll down a little bit and you will see an option, Pop Out Settings. Choose what happens when you write reply to or forward a messages. So here there are two options: write inline. That means if I select write inline and save it, see what happens. I simply select this email and I want to reply it. Once I reply, the same message will open in the reading pane, and here I need to draft it and reply it. But the purpose of popping out the message is slightly different. I will show you. First I select Mail, Compose and Reply. Now I change it to pop out to the new window and hit save. Now I will show you what happens. I select the same email, hit reply, and you will see a separate pop-up window appears, and you can very easily work on it and reply your message. Now here I am on my Outlook on the web. Now here I once again click on this gear symbol, or you can also use this View tab, similar to the Outlook on the desktop. The easiest way is to search for pop-up. The pop-up option is unavailable here. I will show you. Now click on Mail, click Compose and Reply. The same path I have used in Outlook on the desktop. Scroll down a little bit and you will see this pop-up option is currently not available in Outlook on the web. So this is the default feature which Microsoft is still working on it, and in future you will get this option in Outlook on the web. But there is another method you can use to open your reply email in a new window. Simply select your email, click on Reply. Now you will see that email open up in this window. Here is a small logo which allow you to open this mail in a separate new window. Once you click on it, your mail will be opened in a separate window. But in Outlook on the web, you have to do this for every email individually. Now third is Classic Outlook for Windows. So first click on this File tab, click on Options. Now click on Mail from the left navigation section. Now you have to scroll a little bit and find Reply and Forwards. Here is the option Open Reply and Forward in a new window. By default, this checkbox is unchecked. You need to check it and hit OK. Now I will show you. I simply select this mail, hit reply, and see your mail will automatically open in a separate window. So that means in new Outlook and Outlook Classic window versions, auto pop-up option is available. But on web, you need to use the Open in New Outlook button. So if you have learned something new from this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will never miss out any Outlook tips and problem solvers videos I come up with. Thank you and have a nice day.